Students, good morning. Now we are going to see the topic software maintenance. What are all the topics in software maintenance? First, introduction, enhancing maintainability during development, managerial aspects of software maintenance, configuration management. These are the topics we are going to see in the software maintenance. And introduction, what is software maintenance, and what is the necessity of software maintenance activities, when it will start. And the second part, enhancing maintainability during development. What are the things we have to consider to enhance during development? What care must be taken during development to enhancing the maintainability? The primary goal of software development is to produce a maintainable product. As you know, we are spending much time for maintenance, and so there's a producing maintainable software product is primary goal of software development. And third part, in the managerial aspect of software maintenance, manager for every successful product that needs good managerial skill as well as the technical skills. Combinations of technical as well as the managerial part is expertise is need for successful product. In the configuration management, we are going to see how maintaining the versions, and how we are going to manage the different versions of the product. And what is software maintenance? Actually, what is software maintenance? Software maintenance is a set of software engineering activities that occurs after delivery of the software product to the customer. So after delivery to the customer, the software maintenance activity will begin. And software maintainability is the degree of an application to repair, how we fast repair and how we easily correct. That's called as a maintainability. And when the software maintenance is required, the software maintenance is required when the customer demands new requirement or new change, new things, and or any adaptation work or error corrections. When the customer requires anything, then the customer only initiate the software maintenance activity. So that time only software maintenance will start. The real distribution of effort between development and the maintenance. The distribution of effort between development and maintenance is, and earlier days 40, 60, 30, 70, and even 10, 20. So 10% only spent for the development and remaining 90% of the effort spent for the maintenance. So how we should carefully in developing the software. We are spending much time and much cost for maintenance, so we should develop the maintainable product. The software maintenance involves three activities. First, enhancing the capabilities of the product, adapting the product to the new processing environment, and correcting bugs. Three types: enhancing, adapting, correcting. So enhancing, providing the new facilities, new functionality to software. Adapting, when the software moves to the new environment, or when the software moves to changes the hardware, then we need this adapting. Correcting bugs, if any errors occurs, then the software maintenance activity should correct the bugs. And these are the three activities: enhancement, adaptation, correction. These are the effort, how the ratio, effort spent between these three activities, and majority of the effort spent for the enhancement. Next, adaptation, correction, 60, 20, 20. So, in the maintenance activity, majority of the cost and time spent for the enhancement, and only the 20% is the correcting errors. This is a correct maintainable product. The lifespan of software product is 1 to 3 years. When you are developing, maximum in the average 1 to 3 years for the development. But the software should be maintained prolonged, say, 5 to 15 years. If it's a good maintainable software, then we can easily maintain. So, development 1 to 3 years, and maintenance 5 to 15 years if it is good. And some of the examples: software product enhancement, adaptation of the new environment, problem corrections. Software product enhancement so may involve providing the new functional capabilities, improving user displays and modes of interaction, upgrading the performance of characteristics. So these are the new features we can provide to the software. Enhancement, adaptations, it means moving the software to the different machines, or so we are changing the OS or something, hardware like adaptation. So adapt to the new environment. There's a problem. Corrections involves if any errors occurs from sometimes some errors will occur in the project. So if any error occur, revalidation of software product to correct errors. So some errors require immediate attention. Some we can schedule on periodic basis. So others we can schedule. Okay. So the primary product attributes that contribute to the software maintainability. The primary product attributes: clarity, modularity, good internal documentation of the source code, and supporting document. These are the main characteristics that contribute to the software maintainability. So when you're designing the modules clear way and clarity and everything is good and good documentation, then the maintenance work is very easy. So software maintenance activities must not destroy the maintainability of the software. The main thing is when you're doing the maintenance activities, it must not destroy the other already worked product. For example, if you do some changes in one product, that changes will not changes does not affect the existing things. So software maintenance activities must not destroy the maintainability of the software. A small change in the source code, if you change small change, if you perform some changes in the source code, often it requires extensive changes to the test suite. So when you done some small changes in test source code, then automatically we need more number of test cases and test suite to test the things. Automatically the cost of the testing and everything is exceeds the amount. So before doing the change or maintenance, analyze the change, whether the change is valid or not. If the change is valid, how much effort and the cost it will take, time and everything should be calculated before doing the maintenance. Failure to recognize the true cost of the small change, then automatically the whole software maintenance will entirely collapse. So understanding the scope and the effect of a desired change first before performing the change. So understanding the scope and the effect of a desired change. All the tasks should be done in the systematic, orderly approach to tracking. If it is not, software maintenance is also an engineering set of engineering activities. Everything should be done in the systematic and orderly approach. When the new change request comes, then we have to follow from analysis and redesign and everything should be recorded. If it done perfectly, then the maintenance activities is good. As you know, the software maintenance activities are unpleasant one. If you did it in correct way in the software development is if you follow the standard norms and everything is good, then the maintenance also is very good.